Somebody mentioned birds? Thai bird spot? So, who do we have here? What do you think this fantastic bird is? Nope, we're not talking about the laughing thrush. This is a large scimitar babbler. And what a really great looking bird this one is. And yes, as always, I don't need to tell you where I found this one. You already know. Well, if you don't know, you obviously haven't been watching my other videos. So when you're done watching this one, take a look at the channel for more wonderful birds. Anyway, for this one, I'm going to continue with the eBird descriptions, because I think they're great. What do you think? So here we go. A handsome and slightly primal looking babbler of wooded areas, thick fields and bamboo tangles, or wherever there's extensive cover. Angular chestnut crescent behind the ear, combined with the smattering of silver spots behind it, a white throat and dark eyes. It likes to forage around on the ground in the understory and won't keep still. Hence the pretty bad quality of the video this time. This bird just will not sit still. But that's birding. This great bird not only looks unique, but has a really unique call as well. So, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. What a great song that one is. Well, anyway, that's just about it for now. I hope you enjoyed this one on the crazy looking large scimitar babbler. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget the usual like, comment, subscribe and all that. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.